Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out of Line account. So in the Line application, you'll not be able to find the option for logging out. You'll not be able to find the option for logging out in settings. Also, you'll not be able to find that option in account. So if you want to log out of your account, what you have to do is simply clear the storage of Line application on your device. Clearing the storage will log you out of your account. So for that, what you have to do is simply launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for apps and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. What you have to do is simply tap on the option see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the application. Now what you have to do is simply find the option for Line app and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Line. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. So if you want to log out of your account, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, clear storage. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Delete app data. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Simply tap on the OK option. Now you can see over here the storage has been cleared. Now if I open the Line application, you can see over here I'll be logged out of account. So like this, you'll be able to log out of Line account. So that is how you log out of Line account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.